Reyee RG-APF2260MG Installation Guide. The RG-APF2260MG is delivered without a toolkit. You need to prepare the tools and cables as required. Check whether the device is intact after unboxing. The video shows the accessories delivered with the device. Use an alignment sticker. Drill holes at appropriate positions on the ceiling. Insert the plastic expansion anchors into the holes. Secure the mounting bracket to the ceiling using the Phillips pan head screws. An AP can be powered in one of the following options: DC adapter, standard power over Ethernet, or centralized power over fiber. Please select the proper power supply option as required. Powered via DC adapter. Connect the power cord to the DC 12 volts 2 amperes port on the rear panel of the AP. Powered via standard PoE. Connect one end of an Ethernet cable to the LAN/PoE port on the rear panel of the AP. After the AP is installed, connect the other end of the Ethernet cable to the power sourcing equipment. Powered via centralized POF. Connect both ends of the power cord to terminal blocks. No polarity distinction is required. Connect one terminal block of the power cord to the POF port on the rear panel of the AP. After the AP is installed, connect the other terminal block to the PoE plus port of the active optical splitter. Fusion splicing description. The optical cable and fiber pigtail need to be spliced on the ground. It is recommended that the reserved length of the optical cable be approximately equal to the floor height, and a fiber pigtail of about 1 meter be prepared for fusion splicing. After splicing the optical cable and fiber pigtail, wrap a heat shrink tubing promptly to ensure a permanent link and to prevent the splice from being contaminated. Connect one end of the optical cable to the 2500 megabits per second SC port on the rear panel of the AP. Secure the optical cable to the cable management tray of the AP. Then, connect the other end of the optical cable to the SC port of the active optical splitter. Connect cables based on your actual networking requirements. Align the AP's clips with the mounting holes on the mounting bracket, and slide the AP into position to secure it. To remove the AP, push the AP upwards and slide it back and forth along the direction indicated by the LED. After the AP is installed, excess cables need to be concealed. Use the optical cable as an example. If the optical cable can be rolled back, coil the excess optical cable into the conduit. If the optical cable cannot be rolled back or no cable conduit exists, coil the excess optical cable and secure it with cable ties. After the installation, power on the device. Ensure that the system LED of the AP is solid blue and the 2500 megabits per second SC port LED is green. Thank you for watching.